कोकणी में पिऊन याले पिणे का होय कसली गाडी वाटतात Okay, finish. Okay, now make 3 versus 2. One more join. One defender to help him. Come on, quick, quick, quick. 3 versus 2. Good. Good, goalkeeper. Finish. Okay, and four. Keeper be ready. Okay, and 4. Okay, good. Now, 2v1. One more player. You be inside. Come. Defend. And keep us stop. Done. Then the next. Faster. Okay, 2v1. Who's coming? Who wants the ball? 2v1. Next, 3v2.
Workshop solta, which is a Reliance way. Okay, so these boys portundenga apoitle, and they will go through this selection process. It's a process. Now this is a very good thing what Reliance have done. So the boys when they come, they don't feel nervous and all. So now they know how it will be the real selection when they will be called for the exclusive selection, which will be held in Goa in next year. All right, and now from this lot they will going to select a student, a player student, and from there he'll be graduating in the Reliance Foundation in Mumbai. Another thing was when I joined the job, they had said about all these things. So I had requested, maybe please come and watch what is going on. So they really took me, the Reliance walk. They showed me the academy, they showed me the ground, they let me stay, how the children are staying. They let me meet the school heads, what is the school process and all. And there I was satisfied. I said, okay, this will be a good thing for our boys as well in Goa.
So आज कितले भुरगे येले कडेन आसा सद्याक?
Right now we have 22 players called. Mostly they are playing for the clubs. If you go to see, they're all from different clubs.
Meaning, can you name the clubs and some villages if they are from there, or Presido?
Right now I think we should respect their privacy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So कितले सिलेक्ट करता तुम भुरग्यांक ह्या हितून?
It depends. Now what happens here is exactly they select, I select through my eye, okay, and through my network, and then they have special video sessions recorded, and they take it up to Mumbai in their corporate office, and they watch down. I was once being a part of it, and they watch the coaches who are interested in this age groups. They will watch the kid they are interested in, and then the process goes on.
This particular batch. So, how many players you have scouted, and from which places they are?
Yeah, what you see now is we have total 21 players. These are the players who have also seen last year, and this season they'll be eligible for scouting in Young Champs. Okay, these are kids born in the year 2013. This is one session, but we are going to evaluate them over the next 8 months. What will happen is we will keep adding players to this group and keep calling them in 2 months or 3 months to see how they've progressed in a training session.
You see, in Goa, there has been a lot of fever, means lot of liking towards football. People are participating. Many clubs are also like into football games. And there's now you have said that your institute has been training new scout, young scout in a football game. So how do you all over India? So how do you see Goa ranking in that?
I mean, it goes without saying that Goa is one of the hotspots of Indian football. Whether you see from the past and to the present, the existence of all the high-profile clubs back in the I League and now also a club in the ISL here, it speaks volumes for itself as a region, and it has a lot of talent because I think football is the main sport played in every corner of Goa, and there is huge potential towards our understanding in terms of young players coming up and going up to represent club and country.
There are so many tournaments going on, like inter-village, inter-ward
Yes.
tournaments in Goa. I'm talking specifically. So, is there any plan to scout from that places like these tournaments? Some players.
Yes, a bit. Give you a bit of gist about what our scouting network is. I think we're the only academy in the country who have 22 regional scouts operating all over the country. That's right from you can say Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the complete length and breadth. All these scouts are contracted by us, and they are responsible to look at local tournaments, not only specific tournaments, but also visit maybe for in Goa inter-village tournament which are for kids, the Goa leagues, and also other tournaments, and visit academies in person. And we've had a lot of players in the past from Goa who wanted to graduate. Nathan Rodriguez being one of them, playing with Mumbai City currently, and Narendra Nayak again with Odisha, graduated last year and was in our system.
फॉरेस्टाको खेळलोले सो ते एक्सपिरियन्स बरो आहलोले द प्लेयर फिजिकॅलिटी वायज बरो आहलोले आनी आमकां जायती शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें थिंगच्यान तेंगे फॅसिलिटीज बी चड बरो आहलोल्यो
सो थंयच्या आनी हांगचे डिफरन्सीस कितले सर
डिफरन्सीस क्वॉलिटी वायज डिफरन्स आसता ते लायक 24 hours फुटबॉलाकूय आसता फ्रॉम यंग एज आमगे तें हें ना फ्रॉम यंग एज चड धाकले आसा ते फुटबॉलाकूय उत्ताय आमगे तशें करून आसना सो ती क्वॉलिटी वायज मातशें गॅप आसता आनी फिजिकॅलिटी वायज आमगे फिजिकॅलिटी वायज ते अशें करून आसना तेंगे थिंग नॅचरल आसता सो ते फिजिकल वायज बरो आसताय
सो ग्रावंडा बद्दल कितें सांगता तो ते सायडीक ग्रावंड आनी हांगाचो ग्रावंड
सो
जो आसा
थिंग ग्रावंड क्वॉलिटी कितें आसता फॉर यूथ सेटअप पासून तेंगे ग्रावंड क्वॉलिटी लायक सिनियर टिमी आसता ते शिकून तेंगली थिंगाय आसता यूथ सेटअपा बी लायक फूल ग्रासा पीच आनी तशें करून क्वॉलिटी आनी चड बरो आसता ते मेनटेन करताय ते भशेन
सो आज ह्या कॅम्पाक कितें दिसता तुका जे भुरगे आज कॅम्पा येयल्या ते
हाय लायक ट्रेनींग करता हाय होप हिंगसान कोण वयर चडोन सिलेक्ट जावपा रिलायन्सा आनी वयर पासून गेलोलो
सो कशें करून दिता तुमी कोचिंग तांकां कशी हिंगा ते ट्रेनींग येयल्या ते भुरग्यांक
आतां कोचिंग सद्या तो कोच दितलो हांव बेश्टो लायक हेल्प करपा आयलो कोचा
तूं हेल्प करपा येयला कितें जाता ज्यो नॅशनल गेमी खेळटा ते हेचेर कितें डिफरन्स दिसता तुका
वीच नॅचरल
ज्यो भायर खेळटा मॅच्यो त्या हेचेर
लायक डिफरन्स काय आसना लायक आमगे गोंया पासून बरो क्वॉलिटी प्लेयर आसताय सो ते स्टँड आवट जाल्यार बरो खेळटाय लायक नेक्स्ट आम हिंगा संतोष ट्रॉफी पासून गेले ते वर्सा फायनली पिड्यार जाले सो गोवा इज अ गूड प्लेस